Vivi's digital signage tools allow you to easily show messaging and announcements throughout your organization. Signage can be scheduled quickly and easily using the Signage wizard in Vivi Central. To schedule signage, select Signage in the left-hand menu. Select Create Signage Schedule in the upper right. Use the Add Content button to add media items, widgets, playlists, or templates into the schedule. Select Next. Give the schedule a name, then choose if the signage will be displayed in a specific destination or an existing room or location. Select the destination, then select Next. Choose the schedule date, start time, and end time. Use the Repeat drop-down if the signage is to be repeated on a regular basis. The Precedence drop-down can be used to override regular screen sharing on the Vivi display, and the Priority drop-down is used to choose which schedule will be played in the event of a signage schedule conflict. Once complete, select Next. An overview of the schedule will be shown. If everything is correct, select Schedule Signage. The page will indicate that Vivi is checking for schedule conflicts and the resulting status when complete. If no conflicts are detected, the schedule will run. If conflicts are detected, adjustments will need to be made. Once signage has been scheduled, select Signage in the left-hand menu to see a list of all schedules within the organization. Schedules can be quickly toggled on or off using the Active slider. Alternatively, to edit a schedule, select its name from the list, then use the upper menu and the Edit button to make changes.